shower blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. And that's how I made to give him the glory.
So right now you don't know, so we're there. Andrew right there. I'm about to go barber shop right now. See me can do a little miracle, little something. Understand?
Me good, me a ras it out.
Chawas a ras it out, so I'm good.
Yeah man.
You understand? But we're gonna see what the day I gonna bring. We'll probably give Bingy them a link after this, you know?
Definitely.
Bingy and Jakes. See what I go on.
Boy, in your heart, me look at you, you're not dead.
In your heart, but yeah, we're there and we're about to go to barber shop, so we are linking.
Where we are go?
Barber shop. So right now we're there. We're doing it for the vlog. Talk to the vlogger. So what's up? Get shy up. We have Chawas over there.
Nothing. Naya, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Daddy, I got dead no more. You don't know it already. Chelsea.
Yeah. One female strong with father at the crib. I'm winning, but right now, no game again. The beef is real.
Second me dark confrontation.
Right. Chelsea run go for Juventus. Watch out.
Naya.
So man, Bingy play a series, the best out of you. We win twice.
Yeah, man. No, win. Can't come here, come beat me.
What I do,
crazy, man.
What do you think you're going to do?
2. Few. 1 plus 1.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
6 is real.
What you say?
What happened?
Yo, you gotta go 1 series. It's a nice series.
It's a nice series.
Of that series. Are you waiting for right now?
Alright, people.
I want it say right now, man. One. You can't show hype, you know.
If we do the celebration, we never think you win.
I just want one at time. Show them go left.
See that? Yes. What? A whole man style.
They're not see that. You have to show them go on.
Yeah, man, William, alright?
I see what go on.
Hold on.
That's a great break.
Hold on.
Alright, so we just scored 1 Jake now and I'll go.
Watching the game? Watching the game? Right now, Chabas and Jakes are playing. Chabas him just want to score 2, so I guess we just have to score 2 and lock it down. Jakes will score back. It's a 100% chance. Score set. 3-1.
What I see him thing you do me? Yo, the game thief. I see him thing you do. You know, so me I play some FIFA right now.
3-1.
Board me sharp. My house.
The game not done. The game will continue. But we have right now.
We say you want a piece of broadboard.
A piece of broadboard me the one man. I hate. They want to give me. Hate. It's alright. I just one of them day where the finger and the game then I work good. You see me, so him get him win. Take the win. Me talk before you talk. Right? That's how it works.
I remember very well what you said this morning.
Yeah, man. No, man. Can't come here, come beat me.
What I do, what do you think you're going to do?
2. Few. 1 plus 1.
It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal. You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
Till you go, we want add people.
You know him add one. You know him just add deny everything.
Yo, me not say no in front here enough cause
wait
on your guard.
Yo, you know say me I forward over on the yard. If it's even a Uber me have to take. I mean I just seize all equipment.
Seize all equipment.
All electronic device. Yo, look at me, yeah, brother.
Ah, look at me.
Yo, my G's, right now, me there, just a go and bill, you know. It's a nice good morning. I don't know what I'm going to consume it for breakfast. At dinner, I pray already. I not too care for breakfast. That's not right, you suppose, because breakfast is the most important meal for the day. But unfortunately, just like me, a lot of people don't consume breakfast. I'm not sure what they pray for dinner yet, but I'm there and we are doing it. Now, I mean, probably go to the supermarket, go look something for cook. I'm not sure, I'm looking at the fridge and see what we have. Big party are going over there, so but yeah, I'm there and I do it, so I'll link on the back. So we're just there right now. Ricky just forward.
Just touchdown in a famous.
Oh, no,
kill it and never die.
Cut. Burn up! Why?
So what you say now?
What?
Keep it.
We are Rasta, we don't deal with them things there.
Yeah. Bummy G's over there. We are about to go to the supermarket. Yeah, we're there. We are doing. What's this one here? Blue.
Blue, say hello. Don't have manners.
Some G's, I don't know, so we're there right now about to go supermarket. How much people you know go supermarket in our suburban? How much people you know go supermarket in our suburban rich? We're about to go supermarket right now. Buy some swimmers, some Irish potato, crackers, and I mean carrot and stuff like that. We're going to steam some swimmers in a Sunday. Yes, so I'm going to journey with me. I'm there. Man. G's. Right now we're there, we look for crackers. Ricky right there. And we're there and we are search. Yeah. 5. What is it? 3 for 5?
3 for 5. You want 3?
No, for too much. Way too much. We have so many house already.
Yo, show everybody a foreign. We have foreign and we have bunny.
Yeah.
What else we have? We have bulla. We have what else? We have that's somebody in there.
So we get everything, we just get everything. Ricky boss and woman head with a bun.
Run.
We have your ref and cut. You have the bun dropping at somebody's head. But a bun, what damage that can do? No, that can't do nothing. She probably get bun anyway. She get bun, definitely.
She just get bun.
Well, you ever see somebody get bun without being in a relationship? Well, we just bun a woman. Yeah, but we are both for go back to the crib now. Yeah, deal with them swimmers here. 1 3, 1 3. We are going to some back road, some back alley. Wifey back alley and the back road. Yeah, we're there. Alright, road. Mad move. So right now, just reach back the crib. You know what I mean? And Papa just buy swimmers. Oh. Drop in on one of them. So what me I go do is me I go kind of make the potato, the carrot and the okra them cook down a little bit, and then I put everything in this, put the fish in this, cover it and put it in the oven. I normally just do it in the oven instead of get my rest of my ingredients in right now. So right now, wash off the fish with some vinegar, and you know you have to slice them. Don't know you have to give them, you know, so your seasoning can soak in and them something, them niceness there. 2 slices, 2 sides. Potato peeling time right now. Deal with the potato then, you know?
Hi guys. Hey there guys. What's good? There you go, Pap.
Oh, good luck. Yeah, we're there. Chaba's just forward. Yo, I'm not telling a lie. I first me ever see carrot so big. What the? Some G's right now, I just done cut up everything. Add some butter to this. Add in my noodle. Stove. After them I simmer down a little bit. Me like cook them up on the stove, make them cook a little bit first. And then I go put everything in like this with the fish. Throwing my crackers. Throwing the oven. You don't know my oven done pre-heat long time, so yeah, we're up on schedule. We're there and we are do it. Just put on the everything for steam and everything. And me a bowl right now. Yeah, meanwhile that I go and just go and sip on some brown water, you know what I mean? No, I notice in the house here, you consume a lot of water and a lot of beverage. So, I buy the jug here, and I buy some Kool-Aid. I'm about to mix some drinks. If you buy box drinks and box drinks and box drinks, no. Kool-Aid will be it from now on. Turn off the pot right now. Me transfer everything in the aluminum foil pan where the fish there, so me about to cover it up right now and then put it in the oven and make it just steam for a little bit, soak in little thing, and you know what I mean? Then we're good to go, dinner is served.
What?
My girl. My girl.
What can't KJ do?
My girl, she have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl. She have a wine when me like. Slow down when me like my girl. She have a wine when me like. Take time when me like my girl.
Some G's right now, food done as you can see.
She love to ride my bike.
Food done, me about to go consume my food right now. Drink some. Yeah, me about to go consume my food right now. Oh, me not drink now. I forgot to mix Kool-Aid. Me have some Kool-Aid. Me about to go consume some Kool-Aid, so soon for back.